Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful retro earrings. They are made with the famous St. Petersburg stitch, but this time I'm making it singular and I'm making it circular, you see, like that. If you're not familiar with this stitch, don't worry, I'm showing really easy step by step. And if you haven't watched my previous videos that I'm posting here at the icon, don't worry again, I'm showing this one really easy and you will be able to make it. Okay, here is another colorful variation of this earring, and this is the St. Petersburg stitch. Here I made it double and I was alternating the colors, but now I'm making it singular, you see, like that. And this is how I'm connecting all of my beads, and this is the final result when I add the beads and here the ear wires. Now, if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. And stay with me in my next video, because there I'm going to show you how to turn this into a ring. Okay, now I'll start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads. I'm using here pearls that are 8 millimeters, and you could use beads instead of pearls, whatever you like. I'm using lever backs in this beautiful retro color, and I'm using size O nymo thread that is 0.15 millimeters or 0.6 inches, and I'm using size 10 beading needle, scissors, and I will put about 3 feet of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now what I want to do is that I'm going to start standard St. Petersburg stitch, and this time I will make it circular and I will show you how to do this. If you're not familiar with this stitch, don't worry, I will show it really easy step by step. Okay, first I'm taking 1 seed bead. I'm sliding it down. I will leave a tail here and I'm going once through it, and what I want to do is make a knot here. I don't want this bead to move anywhere. Okay, now I'm going through this loop here in the middle, and I want to go once and twice through this loop I've made. I want to make it really secure. I don't want this to move anywhere. Okay, now I will start adding beads. I will start with 4 silver beads and 2 in this beautiful retro red color. Okay, and I'm sliding this down. Okay, now this is what I have. And what I want to do is continue with this St. Petersburg stitch. I will make 1 silver row and 1 red row. And in order to do this, first I start with 6 beads, and then I go through the middle silver beads, and I'm making something like a loop between the silvers and the reds. And my first row of silver beads is ready now. And what I want to do is take 1 more black bead, and I will slide it down, and this will be my edge color. And I want to go through these 3 silvers here. Okay, and then what I need is 1 more of this edge color, and I'm going through these 2 red beads. Now my first row is ready, and my second row will consist of 4 red beads. So I have 2 and I need 2 more. And my third row will be again from silver beads. That is why I'm taking 2 reds and 2 silvers. I'm sliding them down, okay, like that. I'm folding back and I'm going through these 2 needle red beads. and I'm pushing this, okay, and I need one black bead, and I will slide this down, and I'm skipping it, and I'm going back through these three reds, sorry. Okay, I'm going through these 3 reds, then I will take just one black bead and I will go through these 2 silvers. With these 2 silvers I start my 3rd row, and I need 2 more silvers to finish it and 2 more red beads to start my next row. And I'm sliding all of those down. And I'm going back through these middle 2 silver beads. In my previous 2 tutorials I showed you this St. Petersburg stitch, but this time I won't make it double, but I will make it circular. And it's really easy, you will see, don't worry about this. Okay, and now I'm taking just one black bead, sliding it down, push this to the other beads. Then I'm skipping the black one and I'm going through these 3 silvers. I'm always going through 3 beads when I go back. And I need one black bead. And I'm going through these 2 red beads. And I continue with 2 reds because it's obvious I need 4 for each row. And then it's obvious that I start my next row with silvers. So I will slide those down, fold it, go through these 2 beads, pull it, then I need one black bead, slide it down, go back through these 3, and then I need one black bead. Okay, and I will continue this. I need to have 12 rows in total. I'll reach to the 11th row and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now this is my 11th row and I started my 12th row. And what I want to do in this step is make this a circular, make this as a closed circle. So I will fold this one back, okay, like that, in circle. Okay, this is my tail thread, and here what I want to do is go through this first stopper black bead that I added, only through it, and then I want to go through these 2 red beads, okay, just like that. Then what I want to do is add 2 more red beads, and instead of adding silvers I will slide them down and I will go through these 2 silvers here. Okay, and as I'm exiting from these 2 silvers, what I want to do is go back again through these 2 red beads. Okay, I will first go through one of them, and then I'll go through the second one. Okay, now what I want to do is pull tight, really tight, okay, and I have this. Now I want to take one black bead, sliding it down, and I want to go through these 3 red beads here, just like that. Okay, and as I'm exiting from this red one, what I need is just 1 black, and I'm going through this silver here. Okay, and I'm pulling. Okay guys, now this is what I have. I have 12 rows and 12 black beads, and what I want to do now is exit through one of my black beads. Okay, so I will go in this direction through this red one, and then I will exit through one of my black beads, let's say here, and I will start adding beads in the center. Here I have silver, so I want to add a red bead, and then I will go through my next black bead. Okay, this is what I have here. Then here I have red, so I want to add silver. I will make it a checkmate, and I'm going through here. Then I need red, and I will continue filling these holes until I come up to here, and I will be back. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I'm adding my last bead. Okay, oh, in fact here I need 1 more silver. Okay, and now this is what I have. I have a circle of beads, and you could use this circle as a component in a bracelet, in a necklace, wherever you like. Now it's time to cut my tail thread. Okay, and I will continue. I want to exit now through this red bead here. Okay, and I need to add this bead, the 8mm bead. Okay, I'm sliding this down. Okay, and I want to go in the opposite bead and in the same direction where my thread is originally pointing to, so in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to the opposite bead here in this direction. Okay, this is what I have. Now I want to go around all of my beads here. Then again through my bead. I will repeat this from the other side. And I will go reinforcing this several more times until I feel that this bead is fixed in the center. Okay, and I went several more times around this joint here, and now I'm exiting out of my bead, and what I want to do is reach one of my black beads at the edge because I want to attach my ear wire. Okay, and I'm going, let's say, here. And now what I want to do to attach it is that I need one more black bead. I will slide it down like that, and I will go back through this red one here. Okay, now I have two beads next to each other, and I will go back through one of them, and there I will attach my ear wire. Okay, going through here, and I'm going through this black one. Okay, then I'm taking my ear wire, okay, and I will go through it, slide it down, and what I want to do is go several more times around these beads here and reinforce the joint. Okay, then I will go at the back of my earring and I will show you how to make some knots. Okay, I'm flipping this back. It bends a little bit and it looks so cool. I like this effect. Okay, and here I'm making a loop, and I'm going once and I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I might want to repeat this several more times. And when I'm ready with my knots, I always go through my next bead and then cut my thread. Never cut next to a knot. Okay, now I'm here and I'm cutting my tail thread. Now this is what I have. My earring is ready. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, my circular St. Petersburg stitch earrings in this retro style are ready. Here is another one that I showed you in the beginning of the tutorial. This is another color variation, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to make a ring and make a beautiful set for present or for yourself. So now if you want to support me and make me do more videos, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelry following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.